How to sign out of one Google account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on your profile at the top right. Then, if you need to switch account, simply click on the account you want to switch to, which you want to sign out. Then, after you have switched, click on profile at the top right again and click on manage your Google account. In here, click on your profile again at the top right. And at the bottom, you'll find sign out. Click on sign out. And you'll be signed out of your Google account. You can also remove this account by clicking on remove an account and you're good to go. This is how to sign out of one Google account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.